Some of residents of Center City apartment in Terre Haute, Indiana are having problem about the noise from the next door at late night. According to the park, who is a resident of Center City apartment, he has been suffering by music sound on the every single night. Here is an interview with Park.
Literally, I cannot sleep on time because of the music noise from the next door. I guess this music comes from that house. It kills me.
As he mentioned, the main reason of noise was music sound from the next door. Park seemed really tired about it, so he couldn't sleep deeply at night. However, his neighborhood and suspect Sam has different opinion about this issue.
Can you hear my music sounds here? I think the guy who lives in the next door is too sensitive about sounds issues. I can't understand why he is so nervous about it all the time.
When I interviewed with Sam, I couldn't hear any sound from Sam's house. His house was quiet as usual house. This sound issue seems not be solved easily.